wanna pick?
Seven.
Okay. Pick it. Come on.
Times 15.
There's a 300.
Yeah, 300. Because
Oh,
times
which
10, 50.
one? Let me see. I think the horse.
Yeah.
The
The horse and
chariots. The chariots.
And the what do you call shield.
The chariots
Woo,
pay more.
$300,
$300. Yes. Times 3 times. Finally hit a times 3 times 5. So you got the kings.
Times 15.
You got the
Manila.
chariots.
Times 15 chariots and the ace.
See, you're getting a $60 times 2 on the chariot. I cannot figure out which one gave you the 300. Hold on. It's a chariots.
It's a chariot.
3 times.
Yeah.